On Monday, 5 members of extreme right-wing Proud Male group convicted in the January 6 attack appealed penalties. After a similar file in July, federal prosecutors objected to such unusual notifications. In both cases, prosecutors did not need to make any explanation for their first notifications. But former leader of Proud Men Enrique Tarrio could reflect dissatisfaction of government. Although he had taken longest sentence. 6 January Capitol riot and other 3 members from 15 years, he was sentenced to too much imprisonment. However, in Keeper's case, a spokesman said that file only protects our ability to appeal and claimed that speculation about intentions of Ministry of Justice were early. Seducting conspiracy convictions. Stuart Rhodes, founder Tarrio and Oath Keepers, were among highest-profile prosecutors for expanding research ministry justice on January 6. Investigation. More than 1,000 people attacking Capitol to confirm organized extreme right groups and Congress. In both cases, judges have brought sentences to fact that most prosecution in January, which combines penalty seriousness of a defendant and then proposes a sentence in middle this range. Then they calculate their own guide range can enter under this range. According to a Washington Post database, in approximately 60% January 6 criminal cases, D.C. judges are under the calculated guide range, and 80% all cases prosecution are under the proposal's punishment. In the Proud Male case, prosecutors calculated that the group's leader Tarrio should have a 30-year penalty range and proposed a 33-year period, and then he gave him 22 years of imprisonment. Hakim's instructions do not need to explain why they have deviated from the instructions. Kelly acted similarly to the other 4 Proud Male members. The Warriors sought a 33-year period for Joseph Biggs, who were at the forefront of January 6 attack, and Kelly sentenced him to 17 years in prison. He gave 18 years. Zachary Rel Dominic lasted 30 and 20 years for Pimzola. Kelly brought 15-10 of conditions respectively. Nornian's 18-year sentence was equal to the term given to Rhodes, the second longest sentence after Tarrio. Lawyer Norman Pattis, who represented Rel and Pimzola in his penalties, after the notification was made with AE Mail, Merrick Garland, was solved. Nornian's lawyer, Nicholas Smith, said that his client was encouraged by agreement that the government has led to a decision and punishment in government's case.